Welcome to our American Express Rewards tutorial. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about maximizing your rewards. First, let's choose the right American Express card. There are several options tailored to different spending habits. Next, it's essential to understand how you can earn rewards, whether it's through points or cash back. Did you know you can boost your rewards significantly with sign-up and referral bonuses? Let's break this down. Now, let's discuss everyday spending categories that can earn you more points. This is where your strategy comes into play. Keep an eye out for seasonal promotions and offers that can significantly enhance your point earnings. Amex Offers allows you to save money while also earning points, a perfect combination. If you love to travel, your purchases can lead to incredible rewards. Let's uncover how travel spending contributes to your points. Once you accumulate points, knowing how to redeem them for maximum value is crucial. Here are some strategies. In conclusion, consistently review your spending and stay updated on new offers to keep earning and maximizing your rewards.